It's countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people faces. No matter how them a go on like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
See here, this young man right here, Dexter, he was pretty much assassinated in Grenada. Now, he was a big time don, and Dexter was a decent guy, you understand? He's from St. Vincent, and to be honest, all I've heard about Dexter are some good things. Now, he left St. Vincent because the government over there, you know how them islands stay, pretty much target him. So he left St. Vincent and he had went to another island. He had went to the island of Grenada. While in Grenada, he had gotten charged, and I think he beat the charge. You understand? And he was able to settle down and do his business. And this guy, Dexter, he had a thriving business. But lo and behold, something happened. He was set up because he was shot in his car. I saw the voice notes and everything, and it seems like he was waiting for somebody who knew him was waiting for him. And because knowing Dexter, he wouldn't be that relaxed. I mean, the man is a done. He know how to flex enough thing that them man they do. Now, this brings me to this video where this young man right here, this youth here get slapped with in a Grenada recently, couple days ago. And him is a done down there in Grenada, Coronach, Four Roads, them call him Wangy. And him get slapped with. It seems like this guy was mixed up in a lot of things. Now, they were warring with some other set of man. I think in Grenada, I might have the pronunciation a little bit off, but I definitely know they were warring with some ops in Grenada area. And I think that is what leads to his death. Now, it is alleged, because this is word on the street, that this youth here, Wangy, he was involved or maybe be responsible. Like I said, it is alleged. This is not a proven facts, but I am get my ears on the ground from down there, and the word on the street allegedly that this guy here on the left, Wangy, is responsible for Dexter slapware. Now, if anybody have any more info on this, please give me a link through WhatsApp. Everything is confidential. You understand? Now, Dexter was a good man and him not deserve certain things. You understand? And they also say unfair game play it twice. That's what my mother used to tell me. I realized a lot of the thing my mom used to tell me. Now I'm ending up saying the same thing. But yeah, I just wanted to update this and put it out there and see if people know anything about it. So, like I said, word on the street alleged that Wangy was responsible for Dexter slapway, and now Wangy, he is gone. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.